Okie dokie. This is the Victorinox Alliance. Let's take a look at the clasp. Nice little cross with a shield. Let's look at the crown. Let's look at the crown. Nice little cross. A nice little shield with a cross in the middle. Yeah, just like this watch. It's a nice little watch. It's a nice little watch. It's got a nice movement. I'm about to show you the specs real fast. Okie dokie, this is just a shot of the back of the watch. Here's the front of the watch again. Victorinox Alliance. I like this watch. I like this watch. It's one of my favorite dress watches. I like the rotor. The rotor has the shield with a white cross in it. You can see it ticking away in the back. Oh yeah. Yep. Swiss made, has a sapphire crystal, stainless steel construction, made in Switzerland, Swiss made. It is water resistant up to 100 meters. Let's see, a meter is about 3 feet, so 3 times. Okie dokie. Oh, it has a little date function at the bottom. It says Swiss made. And I like this. I think it's elegant. I think it's elegant. This is my Victorinox Alliance. Yep. This is actually pretty much my go-to dress watch. And yeah. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit. You can see the dial. How it has kind of, yeah, a sandy appearance on the dial. Yeah, it's not really just plain white because it has, yeah, texture on the dial. But yeah, thank you for watching my little watch video. Appreciate it.